originally went to dental school, so I did not organically choose aesthetics. We are energetically involved with our clients.
How would you create your content?
You can get up to 10 reels per facial.
What piece of advice you can give to the beginners?
You don't have to look at someone that has been doing this for 5-10 years and feel like you have to do that on day one. I originally went to dental school, so I did not organically choose aesthetics, but when I felt really lost and vulnerable as a single mom, I went and got my brows done one day, and the person who was doing my brows, I was telling her a little bit about what was happening in my life, and she goes, "Why don't you go to esthetician school?" And I was like, "No." And
I'm in dental.
yeah, I'm in dental school, and she goes, "No, I think you would really like it." I was really resistant to it, but finally one day I went to esthetician school, and it was love at first facial. I felt that deep alignment that I had never felt before. And so I knew that this was the journey that I was meant to be on, when you feel that deep alignment. And I knew that I did not want to do your basic facial of steps 1, 2, and 3. I wanted to bring more to it, more healing to the environment. The world is so loud outside.
Yes.
So if we can bring our clients to our treatment room and they are at peace, they're present. A lot of the time, our clients are focused on the future or the past. It's very rare that we're in the present moment. So if we can get our clients in the present moment, taking those deep inhalations and exhalations, and our skin can be so much more receptive to what it is that we're doing to it. I spent a month in Thailand. I have traveled. I have done so many different meditation courses, which brought me into the spiritual aspect of it. And so everything that I have learned and grown from my travels, I bring it back to my treatment room and to the entire experience.
I want to be your
That is
client
in
right
Full
away,
Moon Healing
please.
Studio.
This
Yeah.
is the full moon. That's why this is so beautiful.
So it's a spiritual connection. Our skin's our largest organ, so I think it's really important to treat it as such. But it's such an intentional experience. We are energetically involved with our clients. We are
100%.
touching them. So if we can just, with our touch, let our clients know that we love them, we're taking care of them, they're safe, they're protected, they're present, it just transforms your entire experience.
I have a question from this point. Did you ever have from your clients the feedback or anything they say that stick to you forever and you remember these words and maybe change the way how you find the treatment or how you build the product or something that really motivated you to move on and continue educating yourself and grow?
I think the feedback that I get from my clients is just, they tell me I'm meant to be doing this, and the experience that they have received in my treatment room is life-changing for them. And when I hear they've never had another experience like that before, there's a lot of emotions that shed as well. When we are working with the face, we can hold a lot of tension here.
Yes.
So when I'm doing a facial massage, you're breaking up that tension, and not only, you don't realize that you're holding stress and tension there. So you are releasing that. So tears flow, emotions flow, and the gratitude that they show me is just the push that I need to keep going, that I am meant to do what I'm meant to do, and I love it. It's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Not only am I healing my clients, I'm healing myself, and who I am when I first opened is a completely different person than I am today, and I just put all of that just into my clients and into my business, and it's Full Moon Healing Studio.
Can you tell me from your perspective where you are right now, if you will be given one advice to estheticians who are just at the very beginning of their career, what would you want to know before so you would be happy, be what you are maybe faster? So what piece of advice you can give to the beginners?
So if I could talk to baby Esty me, I would tell her, you don't have to look at someone that has been doing this for 5-10 years and feel like you have to do that on day one. That put so much pressure on me that I felt like I was behind. But also I felt like I had to put myself into a box of what I thought an esthetician should look like, should be like, all of it. And that was just not in alignment for me. So when I broke out of that box and decided that I'm going to create a space that is unique to me, I am a very unique person. My studio is very unique, and that means I'm not the esthetician for everyone. And that's okay. You don't have to be the esthetician for everyone. You're going to draw clients in based on your frequencies and who you are. So I try to show up on my social media authentically as myself, and who they see on social media is who they're getting in person. And I'm just me, and I don't have to be anything other than me to bring in a clientele that loves me. And if I would have known those two things, it probably would have been so much easier, but it's been an organic growth. And I'm happy that I had those moments.
Yeah, you realize it through this.
And then you have these breakthroughs and then you just grow from there.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. Ashley is a mastermind behind creating content beautifully and creating content mindfully. And I know that you shared this a couple of times at the events and trade shows. Can you share right now with those who would see it? You've got new piece of equipment, you've got the new protocol. How would you create your content? Where you will find the models? How you will do it? How you will post it? Will they allow you to post or not? All of the questions, because I think those who are not strong at socials yet, they would be hesitating doing it. So maybe you can make it more easy for them.
That's something that I teach a lot is how to organically create a social media presence. So I do model calls and that is so supportive for me. So if I have a new piece of equipment, a new modality, something new that I'm trying to bring in, I'll post on my social media that I'm looking for models. It is going to be a discounted rate in exchange for content. That way they know that they're coming in. I need before and afters, and then I just need reels as well. And I do it for just a little bit of a discount because they're still getting a full treatment, but it's in exchange for that content. That way we have their consent. And that way also to a full paying client, I'm not bringing on ring lights and pausing. These clients know that I need models for that content. So that's been really helpful for me. I try and do that a couple of times a month just to bring in 1 or 2 models to create that content.
Is it like a full facial? Or
it's a full experience.
Would you stop it somewhere in the middle, go change the camera, or you just place it in one spot and just...
No, I move it. I have my ring light and I will move it to get different angles. And that's why they know it's going to be not a super fluid treatment, but they're still getting the same results.
So it's okay. They know it at the beginning, so they're okay. And then sharing the content is also part of a deal.
Yes. And that is fully disclosed. That way they know what it is before they come in. And then we go over it again before we begin the treatment. And that way too, I have a full 60-minute treatment that I can break down to last me. And then you just find things that are either motivation or educational that you can put over the reel.
Yes.
And so it lasts you and it extends for a month or 2 for you.
How many reels were you able to do from one facial?
I mean, you can get up to 10 reels per facial if you break it down, especially 10-minute clips are really supportive. They grab your audience. 10-second reels are really supportive, but then you can also do your 30-second reels as well. So I have
more in depth.
And then I have different angles that I've created, so either up top or it's different angles from my tripod.
You're just using one ring light. Do you use any extra light sources?
I have my ring light, and then I have a light on the top, and then I also have my Cosmo Glow
on
moonlight,
top of the client.
and then I have that as well, and then I'll have a light attached to my phone.
That's enough.
That's
it.
You're
recording everything from what camera?
I will do my front camera for pretty much everything, and then I just will edit it to make the lighting brighter through Lightroom if I need.
So there is post editing as well?
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.